you. Where Daddy? Hey, yeah. You want this? Yes?
What Grumpy bought over at the big sale.
Probably bought the stuff you made.
Oh, I hope not.
She's looking right at the camera. What are you doing?
Uh-oh. You hit her face.
No, she didn't. It's not close enough.
Staring or something.
Close her eyes and hit that one. Because you scared me, I'm going to attack you.
Notice she uses her left hand most of the time.
Yeah. That's what I said. We think she's left-handed. What are you doing? You showing Daddy how to lay down to her? Punch him. Get the bottle. Get him. What are you doing? She figured out it made noise. Are you rambunctious today? Somebody got a good nap last night?
Oh, yeah. She slept quite a bit, really.
Every night. What time she wake up?
2:30.
Yeah? Normal. And then what? 5:30, 6 o'clock?
Almost 6:30.
Yeah. Right on schedule. That's exactly what she does all week.
I changed her. And I fed her a bottle. She got back up. And when she was ready to go to sleep, I put her back down and never talked to her all the time I was doing it. And she was ready to sleep.
Who says you need to buy expensive toys? But
No.
a little bit of ice in a cup and she's happy.
Is that fun? Yeah?
I'll be like, look, Brandon, she's boxing already. With a little speed bag.
The only thing is, don't use it with one hand.
That's okay. I don't care if she's left-handed.
No?
The only person that cares is the physio lady. So I know how to use both. Look at me go. That's enough of that.
Uh-oh.
Ah.